Let me ask you a question. Do you want it? 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 How fast do you want it, man?
The nights are getting stronger and the days are getting longer. The buildings getting bigger and outside is getting smaller. The lies are getting truer, the truth is getting brighter. Things is looking brighter, but life is looking brighter. The prices is the highest and the buyers is the flyers. The good getting tired, the stars are never brighter. Yesterday you do it cause you gotta have that new shit. Money always moves you, so cool is getting cooler. Nothing's gonna stop it if it's down to turn a profit.